Hi guys, it's me again. Let's do another quick and short unboxing video. Come and join me. Alright guys, today we're gonna unbox a cordless rotary tool by Ryobi. Alright, what's in the box will be the machine itself and some minor attachment that you'll be needing usually in a small project. This is a skin only, or what we call a tool only kit. So you need a battery, whether it's a 2Ah, 4Ah, 5 or 9Ah. As long as it's 18 volt, it will work fine with these tools. There you go. These are all the things that comes with the box. Now, to connect it, this ND point, just put all the way in here and you're good to go. So this will be your rotary tool setup. In addition to that, you can also buy a rotary tool accessory set kit, which will give you more attachment for the tools. So let me just quickly open it for you. So you have a similar attachments, which is that, and these are the additional sanding, cutting, and polishing tool set. Alright guys, I'm in my workshop now, so we're just gonna try this Ryobi tool. As I said, all you need is an 18 volt battery. So I already attached one, so let's just give it a try. So to simply use this, just attach the necessary attachment that you need here and turn it on, and the speed dial. So let's give it a go. As you can see, it's turning there. It will just be a little bit noisy the more I turn the speed up. Perfect. So there you go guys, that is the rotary tool from Ryobi. So thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe this channel for more of this type of content. Peace out and have a good day. Bye.